I'm going to start off at the Euro Japanese yen for our chart. As you can see, the market's been trading in a bearish pattern over quite some time. And when we look at our inner trend line over here, we can see that it has been breached. It's not an official trend line break yet, so we'll have to see what happens over here. My expectation is that the market would actually now start moving towards this trend line over here, and a possible trading opportunity, should that move continue, would be to enter the market long just above that level over there with a stop loss there and a take profit just below this trend line over here. British pound Japanese yen, we can see, has been channeling for a very long time. Since the 1st of August, there hasn't been much price action on here. So we can expect a breakout at some point, and how I would want to maybe approach this is to place an entry order for a bearish trade, shorting the market. Because if you look at the trading space that you have left on the bullish end, if the market decides to turn back down at this trend line, there isn't a lot of profit to be had there. So I would ideally look at shorting the market once we have a breakout south. Australian dollar, New US dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. We can see that the market came down, not touching this level at all, moved back up, and is now presenting us with a possible bullish trading opportunity here. Should the market break through this level, which we can see is a rather strong level, looking at the past. So if the market breaks through this level northwards, we might place a trade and look to take profit at the first opportunity over here, second opportunity over there, third opportunity all the way up there. The Kiwi dollar, US dollar, very interesting. We had an official trend line break. Market then came down, tested this level over here, which was also tested over there and over there. And we'll have to wait this out and see, guys. My expectation is that the market might actually start trading below this level. If it does, obviously, again, we have a trading opportunity to take profit at the first opportunity over there, second opportunity there, and third opportunity there. We'll have to see if this trend line holds. I'm not entirely sure that it would, but let's keep an eye on it. The Aussie dollar, US dollar, we also see a trend line break and then just trend line bounces. So I would not ideally want to trade this currency right now, even if it does break through that level over there. Our first profit-taking opportunity at that level over there is so close, I wouldn't want to waste my time on that trade. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We've been looking at this one quite closely the last couple of days. We saw that it broke through this trend line over here. It's now seemingly going back to test the back of this trend line. If you do want to enter in on this instrument, you could look at a bearish entry below this level over here, and perhaps if it does decide to move back from this level, you could look at going long in the market above that level over there, then with possible first, second, and third profit levels being over there. US dollar Canadian, let's have a look. The current situation here is that the market has actually created a funnel. We can see it's been forming higher lows but lower highs. So we'll first have to have a breakout from here, guys. It's not something that I would like to take a guess at. So we'll just watch and see what happens when it gets to the very tip of this funnel. Gold still very much looking bullish. We do have a trend line breach over there, indicating that the market might want to come back and test this trend line over here. Should the market break through this trend line, we would actually be looking at a trend change. But let's see if we do have an official trend line break over here. For those who don't know what an official trend line break is, please refer to my video called Trading for Beginners. It's on my channel. Have a look at that. US dollar, Japanese yen, same formation as what we saw on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We do have a trend line break. The market seems to be going back to test the back of this trend line. It's worth keeping an eye out, and I'll definitely give you guys some more information on this tomorrow. Our dear friend, the Euro US dollar, might be presenting us with an opportunity here. I would like to see what happened here. The market has actually come back down below that level, back down below this level. I would possibly look at a trading opportunity should the market come down below this level here. I would look at placing a short trade at least up to this level here with a stop loss above that level over there. That's it from the markets from Simply Trends Trading today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and share this video as much as you like with family and friends. And until we speak again, as always, trade safe.